Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I've got some gifts from my husband. I honestly don't know what this one is. I have my little Kinda Me Mitty with us today. She's been riding bikes with us. I've been taking her with us. Deron thinks she already has 100 miles. I think she's getting close to 100 miles. I haven't added them up, but I really like her. She's just cute. All right, first one I want to open is the one I don't know. So let's open this up and see what he bought me. I love that he thinks of me when he's on online buying stuff and looks for stuff for me too. I think that's really cool. He does it a lot on Amazon. The boxes will come, he'll say, oh, this one's for you. For me? All right. Now, he said, mostly it's for, oh, wow, cool. Oh, very cool. Okay. I thought you had this book.
No.
Deron used to brew beer, excuse me, and he was the, what is it called?
Brewmaster.
Brewmaster in St. Louis, Missouri, 1996, 95, and 94?
Somewhere in there, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know, maybe he's getting back into brewing. But anyway, here's what, oh, wow, look at these. Doll clothes patterns. I use these. I refer back to these. If I have a doll of an odd size, or if I just want something different, I refer to these. 2-hour doll clothes. Let's see what we got in this one. Thank you, Deron. Oh, isn't that cute the way they did the patterns? That's real cute. That's one of those wraparound skirts that I just did, like the Rainbow High I just showed on my channel. Oh, thank you. Seriously, thank you very much.
If nothing else, a little inspiration.
Yeah, there you go. I really appreciate that. Deron and I were at the, we have this strange thrift store near us. It used to be just a thrift store and you could get really good prices. And then now they've started selling like, you know, like extras that stores sell, which is good because I have found Rainbow High dolls, they're really inexpensive. But they had this, and then they had it half price, and I wasn't going to get it. And Deron went back, he's like, you need that. It's $2. Yes, I am glad he got it, because for one thing...
There's still one in the bag.
Oh, wow. There's more than I knew. I use a lot of bias tape. I finish edges a lot with bias tape. And look how old this is, 21 cents. Do you know how much this stuff is now? It's almost $3, and that's at Walmart. So there's bias tape.
That right there paid for your whole
Box. Oh, and
twice over.
Double, yeah. And then there was some piping in there. I haven't used piping in a long time, and these are colors that I do use. And then there was some seam tape. You can take this, well, you can use it as seam tape, but you can also use this as lace on the bottom of your little doll dresses or whatever. Most of this is extra wide, it seems. And there's hem facing and more piping. I have not gone through this yet, but I thought it would be fun to do it together. I thought there was rickrack in here. Oh, look at all the oh, and the tiny stuff. You can't even find this anymore. Oh, Christmas and St. Patrick's Day green. Woohoo! Yeah, this was way worth it. I'm glad I'm going to have to neaten that up. But for right now, I'm just going to pour it in. Oh, zippers. More rickrack. I love this stuff. There's some dark, ooh. Dolls Gone Goth. That is Blythe size. This could actually be used for Blythe on the right situation. I have looked for this tiny stuff. When I was doing Alice in Wonderland, I needed this in light blue. Good luck finding that anymore. And I'll tell you, the prices are just outrageous. Look at this. Here's some more seam binding. Look at these zippers. I knew there were a couple in here, but oh my. Zippers and I don't really get along, but I use them. I used to make backpacks for dogs and goats and llamas and saddlebags for horses. That is double fold. That's really good. Look at this. Hooks and it says hooks and eyes, but it looks like, well, that's weird. It looks like hinges or, I don't know what kind of hooks and eyes those are, but
big.
yeah. And they pinch down into the fabric or something. I'm not sure what we have with that. Leave it in the comments if you're familiar with these. And more zippers. There's so much. I went and bought a tub because I knew the, I love the metallic. Gold or silver, well, any color, but gold and silver especially. Look at that. Yeah, I would have loved to have had this for the Alice in Wonderland. Oh, I got something here. Okay, I know what this is, but I don't. It's like a binding. Feels like an ace bandage, only hard. What is that? Can anybody tell me? I think it's for blinds, for pulling down the old-fashioned blind kind of things. Here's some more bias tape. I thought there were quilt corners. Yeah, the quilting satin. Very cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, very cool. There's more brown fall colors. Love that. Here's some rings. I don't know what we're using those for. Cabone. Tell me what those are if you know. Look at this. Oh my God. The price of, and small ones. The price of snaps in the stores anymore. Oh my God. That paid for the, well, actually it cost more than that for the $2 that you paid. Oh, look here. Oh, these are fun. We've got some appliques. Oh, look on top. Mm-hmm. How funny is that? Mm-hmm. And here's some golf and tennis and what the heck is that? Hippo, big kitty, angel, something weird, bird. Oh, another Boxcar Willie, Branson, Missouri. How about that? That's really fun. My little boy Blythe will be happy to see that. Actually, you know, my AG boy, he could use that bigger one. Mm-hmm. That'd be cool. And then we have this. I'll be honest with you. Let's see if I know what it is. Oh yeah, these are snaps that you sew on. God, I had forgotten they used to even make these. And there is quite a line of them. Very cool. More. And there's more of those. Very cool. And more hooks and eyes. Now these are big hooks and eyes, and I can see that they sew on. Must be the same type in the other that you smash onto your fabric. More of these rings. Don't know what they are. Oh, look at these. I don't have a machine to fit these. That's for an old machine, bobbins. Oh, wow. But I'll tell you what, at the cost of thread anymore, I'll put these up top and use the thread instead of a spool. Very cool. And there's still more. Hem tape. Wow. This is quite the treasure trove. $2. Can you believe it? And I was going to walk away. More metallic.
To be honest, it was labeled. It looked like it was $2 per item.
Yeah, that's true.
And she walked away, and I thought,
let's see. Heading hooks for use on crane rods. I don't know what they are. It's sealed. These are for curtains. This person must have done some curtain work. But that's what we got for $2. I was going to walk away. Deron grabbed hold of it. I am glad he did. Deron, thank you, not only for this, but wow, those books, that was really kind of you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.